Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Maybe you can guess from my hat. What do you think? I made it for today because today is a special day. Can you guess what day it is today? It's National Unicorn Day, and we are going to celebrate everything unicorns today. So if you have a unicorn headband or a unicorn hat or a unicorn mask or unicorn shirt and you want to go run and put that on really quick for our unicorn calendar day, you're welcome to do that. Go get it quickly. Let's get started with our shape. What shape is the last shape we drew in our pattern? What do you see? Did you guess pink circle? That's right. Now we know what yesterday was, and it will help us to know what today is. So yesterday was Thursday, April 8th, 2021, and we did a pink circle. So we're going to move one square over for today and put in the next shape in our pattern. What do you think the next shape in our pattern will be? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and say the whole pattern together and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? Easter egg, pink circle, orange square, Easter egg, pink circle, orange square, Easter egg, pink circle, orange square. Did you guess orange square? Let's put orange square into the calendar. You can practice on your paper or in the air with your finger. Are you ready? We'll start up at the top and make a line straight across, as straight as we can get it. Then go straight down and then straight across the other way and back up and connect all the corners. Then we can color that in. And it's okay if your square isn't perfectly square, or if it has some wobbly lines or doesn't quite line up. We'll just keep practicing and we'll get better and better. So now let's have a peek at our agenda. Did you bring your agenda today? It's okay if you don't have an agenda. You can follow along with us with ours. So yesterday was Thursday, April 8th. And I wanted to go on the swing, and I did that. So I'm going to check that off. Then we can do the page for today. So we're going to put in the first two words of our sentence to get started. And the first two words are today is. So we'll start by putting in today. And today has a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. T-O-D-A-Y. And the next word is. Now let's figure out what the date is. So now that we know which square is for today, we can figure out what the name of the day is. And do you remember how many days there are in a week? Oh, I hear some wonderful guesses. Let's go up to the top and count our days and say the names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. I love it when we sing it together. It's much more fun. So this is our square for today, and we are going to go up the column and see what the name is for today. And it is Friday. And Friday begins with a capital F because it's the name of our day. And we make sure that every name has a capital at the beginning. So F sounds like F. Can you try that? F. Good job. And some words that start with F are furry or fuzzy and fun. So we start with a capital F, R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Friday. And Friday has 2 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Friday. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Friday. Thank you. Let's put Friday into our sentence in our agenda. Can you say the first part of the sentence with me? Today is, and then we will put in Friday. Capital F because it's the name of our day. R-I-D-A-Y. And then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the month. And do you remember how many months there are in the year? Good guessing. Let's go count them up and say their names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Did you guess 12? Good guessing. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember which month it is right now? That's right. It's the fourth one from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says April. So we put April at the top of our calendar, and it begins with a capital A because it's the name of our month. And A can make two sounds. It's kind of a special letter. It can make a long sound like A. And we use that sound when we do words like ape. And it can also make a soft sound, and it says ah. Can you try that? Ah. Good job. And we use that sound for words like apples. So April, the A in April is a long A. So we say A, April, and it's spelled A-P-R-I-L, April, April. And April has two syllables. Will you clap them with me? April. Good job. One more time. April. Excellent. Let's put April into our sentence in our agenda. Can you say the first part of the sentence with me? Today is Friday, comma, and I've run out of room here, so I'm going to come down and go all the way to the beginning of the page and put in April. Capital A, P, R, I, L. Next, we're going to put in the number. And what do you think the number is today? Good guessing. Can you see the number from yesterday? That will help us to figure out what the number is for today. Do you see it? 8. Yesterday was the number 8. And when we count, we say 8. But when we put it in the calendar, we say 8th. Can you say 8th? Good job. What comes after 8 when we're counting? 8. I hear great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and count up all of our days together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you guess 9? 9 is the number for today. Let's put it into our calendar. You can practice on a piece of paper or in the air with your finger. Are you ready? We'll start up at the top and make a little circle. Then we're going to make a line down. 9. That's the number 9. And when we count, we say 9, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 9th. Can you try that? 9th. Good job. Now let's count backwards. Are you ready? It's okay if you don't know how yet. We'll practice together. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Let's put 9 into our sentence. Can you say the first part of the sentence with me? Today is Friday, comma, April 9th. So we'll put a 9 in there. And then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And the year is at the top of the calendar, 2021, or you can say 2021. Both of those ways to say the year are correct. 2021, and then a period. And that period tells us to stop. Our sentence is complete. Can you say the whole sentence with me? Nice and loud so I can hear you. Today is Friday, April 9th, 2021. Thank you very much. Next, I'm going to practice my numbers all the way up to the number 9. I want to practice my numbers every day so I get really good at them. And while I'm practicing my numbers, I would like you to practice your numbers. If you have a piece of paper, you can print out all your numbers with me, or you can just say the numbers with me as you do them with your fingers in the air. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Thank you very much. Next, I'm going to put in an activity for today that I need to do. And I would like you to pick an activity that you're going to do and put it in there as well. Can you think of some activities you might do today? Maybe make your bed or help make lunch. Maybe you need to read a storybook or do some schoolwork. There's all kinds of things that we can do. Today is Unicorn Day, so I am going to make myself a unicorn out of a toilet paper roll. So I'm going to draw the toilet paper roll cutout. And this is going to be my unicorn for today, and she's going to have a tail and a mane. Let's see if I can get some other colors. Maybe some yellow. Next, I'm going to put my name at the bottom. I want to practice printing my name every day, and I would like you to practice printing your name every day as well. That way we will get really good at it. So you can print your name on your paper or in the air with your finger. And if you don't know how to print your name yet, just ask your adult how to spell your name. And if you just know the first letter, practicing the first letter is great too. Are you ready? Capital C, because it's your name, you want the first letter to be capital. E-L-Y-N-N-E. And if you don't know how to make all these letters and numbers yet, that's okay. You can practice by making one letter a day. If you practice one letter every day, pretty soon you'll know the whole alphabet and you can print any words that you want. So right now we're practicing the letter P. So you can practice the letter P on a piece of paper or in the air with your finger. Both ways are great ways to practice. So we start up at the top and make a line down. Then we go back up to the top and make a bump out. Good job. That's an uppercase P. Next, we're going to make a lowercase p. We'll start here and make a line down past the line and then make a circle. Boop. Lowercase p, uppercase P. So I mentioned I was going to make a unicorn out of a toilet paper roll. This is my unicorn out of the toilet paper roll. So you just use a toilet paper roll and cut it out and draw on the face, and then you can attach some yarn or some pipe cleaners if you would like to add a tail. You don't have to add a tail, but it's kind of a cute little thing. And then I have a little unicorn that I can play with all day and help celebrate Unicorn Day. How are you feeling today? Yesterday I was feeling happy. Are you feeling happy today? I think I'm feeling okay today. I could probably be happy. Look at all these other ones that we have. Oh, one is backwards. Let's flip that around. So, I could be happy today. I'm feeling pretty good. What about excited? Are you excited today? Are you excited it's Unicorn Day? I'm excited it's Unicorn Day, and I'm excited to make some crafts. I think I might be excited. I'll hang on to that one. What about sad? Are you sad today? Did something sad happen? Are you lonely? Maybe you missed somebody. Maybe you're upset about something. You're missing a toy, or you can't do something that you really want to do. That's a good reason to be sad. I would be sad too. What about confused? Shy? What about timid? You kind of want to try something new, but you're a little bit nervous to try it. Or are you angry? Are you angry today? Something really made you mad and you're really frustrated? Or maybe you're just grouchy because you didn't have a good sleep last night. I think I am excited today. So I'm going to put excited on the board. And my kind thing to do today is I'm going to make a hat like this and a unicorn like this for my friend. And I'm going to take it over to her house so that she can also celebrate Unicorn Day because she loves unicorns too. I think that will be a really nice gift to give to her. Can you think of something kind to do today? Maybe something you can give somebody or help somebody with? It would also be kind if I helped my friend make a unicorn craft. That would be really good too. I'd be teaching her some new skills and we'd be spending time together. So I hope you find something wonderful and kind to do today, and we will see each other again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. If you would like to make your own unicorn hat or craft, the video links will be in the description below. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.